في الفقر والغنى أحبك يا الله في اليسر والعسر أحبك في دقات قلبي.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Innal hamdalillah nahmaduhu wa nasta'inuhu wa nastaghfiruh wa na'udzu billahi min syururi anfusina wa min sayyiati a'malina. May yahdihillahu fala mudhillalah wa may yudlil fala hadiyalah. Asyhadu an la ilaha illallah wa asyhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. Okay guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we can teach talk and I am Muhammad Imam Muzajidin as a host in this section. So, for our speaker today is Muhammad Kenan Abigail. The stage is yours.
Okay, thank you, Imam, for opening the weekend TikTok. So today I will be explaining about how to make an automatic email verification from Laravel backend. So start off, I think it's pretty easy. So let's just get started. I will be streaming it first. Wait, I will be sharing my screen, entire screen. Okay. Is it already visible? Okay. Now, first of all, I think all we need to do first is turn on the database so we can access whether or not the user is registered. And after that, we'll go straight on into creating the file or the folder of the Laravel project. And after that, we will install Breeze. And after that, we will implement the must verify email. It's pretty easy because every step by step is already provided by the Laravel documentation in their website, but I will show you specifically so you can know where to implement it. So first of all, let us create our project here. You can use any name. I will be using TikTok or TikTok. This will automatically create the newest Laravel project, which is Laravel 11. It's gonna take a long time, but it's pretty easy, so we can just wait. Okay, now that it is created, can go ahead and check and open the project. Since it's from Laravel, there it is. You can now access it and open. Now from here, let's create the yes, I trust the authors. Let's create on the terminal. We can create Breeze first. It's in the documentation. Just copy this. It will automatically install everything that is from Breeze. Okay, now that's done, you can go to the next step, which is have an artisan install Breeze and npm install and npm run that. Now we can choose whether or not my latest project uses Blade with Alpine, so Alpine JS for the front end, but since we only need the email verification, we can just use Blade with Alpine, and it depends on you if you want to use dark mode or not. I would say no. PHP. Okay, now it's installing and moving the node dependencies. This won't take long, and after that we will go straight ahead into the email verification. It will be very easy to implement, and then we will test it. But there is a lot of things that we need to set up before. Okay, now it's done. As you can see, we have .env and .env.example. We can just ignore this one and use the .env one. Now you can uncommand this env and then use MySQL since we are using local database. And after that, you can make anything, but I will make tech talk. And yeah, that's it. Now you can create another terminal and then do cafe artisan migrate. And then yes, create it. Now you can check on your local host in TikTok. Here it is. Now you can check on the users. Now you can see that there is a email underscore verified underscore at. Now you can all you need to do is set up the where the email came from and then implement all. So first of all, you can we can use my project before latest project. It's on GitHub. Now I will make it. Uh, I will go. You can go here. You can use any email and then use any code, but I will copy it from here. This is the mailer, so it knows where does the mail come from, and so that they can say send the email based on the email you input. In here, I will use my friend's email and my friend's email password, but this is not the actual password. This is the app key or app password. So it only available when you already do or use the second two-step verification. Now you can use anything. We can just use step here. There it is. Now it's quite easy. Now you can just go ahead and go to the documentation. In here, they want you to go to the app models at user. Okay, so let's go to the user model in here. And then you can uncomment this one because must verify email is not default, but it is already available. Now use this one and then here implement must verify email. There it is. Now you have already implemented the must verify email. And from here, you can go into your web.php. In here, we can, first of all, we need to test first if the application is working or not. So without further ado, we have already seen that the VT or the NPM runtime has started. Now you can use PHP or transfer to serve your website, and then you can see, and it will show. Now you can register an account. This only we only want to test if it's working or not. You can use any dummy email for this one. Register. Now we have registered, and as you can see, it works. Now we can just log out and then do the step again. So here you can see the documentation that we need to get the email verification notice, or you can just copy it from here. It's pretty easy. Now you can copy and paste it here. Since we use dashboard too, so we don't need to change anything else. Now here you can copy it here, and then don't forget to use it here. Okay. Now that it's done, we can use the resending sending the email verification, so we can have the button of the email verification working. Don't forget to comment X this and then put it on the up here on the use one, or and then maybe you can change this one because since we only have dashboard, we can go to the slash dashboard. And yeah, that's how you implement the email. And then let us go to the testing. Now here I have opened my email. This is the email before I have used it on my project. So I have made a CSR here. And now let's test it there. So maybe we can use this email and then put on any password you want. I just put on 1 until 8 because the normal input password is 8 characters. Now, as you can see, it already sent. Now you can check if it's sent or it is sent. And yeah, this is the default email version of the Laravel implement email, must verify email. You can also do this or maybe customize the view like I did in before, in the one before. And yeah, you can do it, but it will take a long time. And maybe if I have another chance, I will explain it further on. So yeah, that's how you do it. And then you can resend the verification email if it doesn't show up. Now you can see it will send another email. And yeah, when you verify the email address, there it is. You go to the dashboard. You can go to the profile and then do something else with it. And yeah, thank you very much. That's all from my material, and I hope this will be very useful for you in the future, especially that in the future we need more security for our website rather than just normal registering. And thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, and that brings us to the end today of today's Weekend Teach Talk. A big thanks for our speaker for sharing their knowledge and insights. And of course, thank you for all of you for participating and making this event a success. And thank you. We hope you found today's talk about inspiring and informative. Keep an eye out for our next event. Have a great rest of your day. I'm Imam as a host. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.